All right, I'll do the first part to number 16. In a recent year, Delaware had the highest per capita annual income with $51,803. If the standard deviation is 4850, what is the probability that a random sample of 34 state residents had a mean income that was greater than $50,000? So first thing we want to deal with is normality. Normality is not stated, but we're looking at a sample of 34, n is 34, which is larger than 30. So the central limit theorem will give us an approximately normal distribution. N is greater than or equal to 30. So by the central limit theorem, the distribution is approximately normal. That allows us to draw a curve. So the mean is 51,803. They're saying what is the probability that the sample mean will be greater than 50,000? That's lower. And so they're looking for this area here. We need to turn this into z-scores. Since we're looking at a sample and sample means, the formula is x bar minus mu over sigma divided by the square root of n. So we'll plug that in to find out what that 50,000 is as a z-score. So z is 50,000, which is our x bar, minus the mean, 51,803, divided by the standard deviation, which they said was 4850, divided by the square root of n, and here's 34. We'll round this to 2 decimal places. I'm getting a z of negative 2.16767, which gives me a z of negative 2.17. So I'm going to look that up in my z table. And when I do, it's going to give me the area to the left over here. So let's do that, negative 2.17.0150. But I want to find the right side. The right side will be 1 minus the left area. 0.985. That's the area to the right. That is the probability that the sample mean of those 34 state residents, the sample mean that was greater than 50,000. If this had been 4 decimal places, we would have left it 4, but it happened to be this when we subtracted, so